What's up, online shoppers? I just got sent this really cool No Buzz Zone device by BugMD. Now they've asked me to do a review on it, so let's open it up and see what's inside here. Now this is their flying insect trap, or their catcher for indoor flies. When you open up the box, here is the little device, and it plugs in to a wall socket. That's one of the reasons why you're going to use it as an inside device. You can see there it is. It has this really cool little shade here. Here are the instructions. Right here is how the BugMD No Buzz Zone works. This here is an LED light, and it lights up, and the light attracts the bugs. This is your sticky pad. All you do is take this protective covering off, and you can see that there is actually a spot here where there isn't any adhesive all the way around, so you can grab this really easy. This goes at the back of your unit, so you don't see all the gross, ugly bugs. Now the design part here faces out. Now it slides into two little slots right here. Light comes from behind, attracts the bugs, they get stuck to the sticky pad, and then that's it for the bugs. They're not going anywhere. And then when the sticky pad gets filled, you just pop this out and put in a fresh pad. Now it's kind of cool because you can't see the dead bugs in here. You can like peek behind and take a look, but you can't actually see the dead bugs. And to everyone else in the world, it looks like a nightlight. And that's a pretty cool thing too. Now, here is the No Buzz Zone installed. So you can see how the light is behind here, and the bugs would be attracted to the light and they would come in behind. And you've got this really pretty blue glow. It's definitely gonna attract the bugs in behind, trap them on the sticky, and you won't see them and hear them buzzing anymore either, because it has created a no buzz zone for you. If you were looking for a solution to an indoor fly problem with gnats, fruit flies, and other house flies, BugMD has got you covered. Without pesticides or chemicals and easy plug-and-play installation, BugMD is definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.